fish. See, I come over here, it's gonna come over here. Very interesting fish. You'll never believe what the name of this fish is. It's called King Kong parrot. King Kong parrot. Here it is. That's the name. King Kong parrot. And there's the other one. It's called silver arowana. What the hell? Silver arowana. That's the one over there. Here's the King Kong parrot. Man, this fish, man. Beautiful fish. Oh man, look at it. I come over here, it's gonna come over here. See that? See that? Beautiful fish. See that? Come over, it's gonna come over here. Man, it's attracted to me. Ah. See that, man?